MNBT Lightning Zone.
M is for monkey. M is for mango. N is for nest. N is for notebook. O is for orange. O is for owl. P is for pineapple. P is for parrot. Q is for question mark. Q is for cube. R is for rose. R is for rainbow. S is for sun. S is for snake. T is for tomato. T is for train. U is for umbrella. U is for unicorn. V is for van. V is for vegetables. W is for watch. W is for watermelon. X is for X-ray. X is for saxophone. Y is for york. Y is for yo-yo. Z is for zebra. Z is for zip. You are amazing. See you next time. Bye-bye.